Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Manchester. As the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution and the economic heart of northwest England, it spans 115.65 square kilometers with a population of approximately 552,000, a powerhouse in finance and creative industries. Its GDP reached £78.8 billion in 2022. The city is not only home to two Premier League giants, Manchester United and Manchester City, but is also renowned for attractions such as the Science and Industry Museum. So, which team do you prefer, Manchester City or Manchester United?